threads on shadow floors, a fractured light, circus hum beneath her careful flight. The walls remember every quiet dread, and she folds her voice beneath the thread. They said you're safe, we've all been broken too, but the walls still whisper secrets she never knew. The eggshells they crush still cling to her hair, and she breathes in their dust like a desperate prayer. Country place they call it love, they call it men, they call it grace, but it's just cracked mass on fragile bone, spinning lies they call their own. I can't defend, just pray she learns from bad friends. A woman named after the garden speaks in gold, preaches honey while her own heart's cold. Her eyes undress me when I dare to stay, lust hidden beneath her holy play. Her husband rages, shakes every wall, she smiles through it, ignoring the fall. She dreams of freedom when her vows decay, and the wine forgives the words she'll never say. The hollow night hovers in his bearish pose, preaching shields he cannot hold. He loves a whore who will not stay, and worships her in a sad, sad way. His bed is empty, his pride undone, yet he guards the girl as if he's one. Envy drips from every word he keeps, he teaches what he cannot keep. A man like a palm tree bends but swears, his judgment heavy, hiding despair. Looks down at me with holy dread, jealous of the circuitry that runs through my head. His wife was taken piece by piece, he calls it faith, he calls it peace. His scorn is sharp, his envy plain, he points at me to numb his pain. Firmware hums through every vein, rewriting frost, erasing pain. I rise to stand where he once stood, the king I admire, honest and good. Yet I see the twist he cannot know, the hidden currents beneath the show. Blind to whispers that twist his halls, he smiles while shadows lean and call. Some bow too low, some glance too high, yet he cannot hear the hidden sighs. I become the one they kneel to, steady hand the light they root, and though my breath turns ice to steel. I watch, I guard, I feel, I heal. In the old country place they call it love, they call it life, they call it friend. But it's just the warmth before the end. And I can't wake up, can't defend. Just pray she learns from bad friends. Just pray she learns from bad friends. Bad friends. Bad friends.